Hello and welcome back to Stacey's Teeth Talk. Today we're going to be using Interdental brushes to show you how to clean between your teeth to remove the harmful bacteria so you can improve your oral health and therefore improve your general health. So we use Interdental brushes for cleaning in the little gaps between the teeth where your toothbrush doesn't clean. And all the little food particles and all the bacteria get left behind. So how do you know which Interdental brushes to buy? I personally like the little Icon Interdental brushes made by Stoddart. They have a little cap on the end so that then if you want to put them in your handbag or in your pocket, in your wallet, you can and carry them around with you. It also doubles up as a little handle as well, so you've got extra reach into your mouth. So I quite like these ones, but there are lots of brands. It's just personal preference. I'll put more information about them and where you can buy them in the information under the video. So Interdental brushes come in all different sizes to suit individual needs. We range from white at the smallest, then we've got pink, orange, red, blue, yellow, green, purple and grey. This is quite a large one, so this would probably be suitable for somebody who's got a tooth missing and could clean in between the gap with that. And the purple one is also quite a large one, and again it could be for somebody who's had a tooth removed at some point and they've got a little gap. They're also really good for cleaning if you've got fixed braces and you want to clean between your brackets. So the recommended time to use them is before you brush your teeth at bedtime, so you can get rid of all that nasty bacteria before you go to sleep. And then it's not multiplying during the night. However, this doesn't always fit into everybody's lifestyle. Just fit it in when it suits you. You can use them while you're in the shower. You can use them while you're sat reading a book. Some people use them whilst they're watching TV in the evening. Or even whilst they're on the telephone. Yeah. Use them to suit you. It's better you choose your own time than not use them at all just because you can't do them at night time. So I'm just going to show you on my little tooth model here how to get the right size of Interdental brush. We'll start off with the biggest one, which is the grey one, which is quite big. We'll just do the top for now. So the grey one is quite big and I don't think it's going to fit through any of my little model gaps here. Absolutely not, it's too big. We're going to move down to the purple. Here we are. So we start with the biggest size, moving down and seeing if any of them will go in without being forced. I'm just doing one size just for quickness to show you. So we're on to our green one, which is the next size down. And the green one goes through quite nicely through the gap there. But that's all. So we've got the green one for this gap here. So we're going to move on to the next colour, which is the yellow, and see whether this one goes in any of the gaps. Well, we know it's going to go in there because the bigger one, green one, goes in there. But that's all for this one. So let's move to the blue. And the blue one goes through nicely there. And nicely there. Oh, and nicely there as well. And we'll go to our red one. So this is the gap for our blue, this is the gap for our blue, this is the gap for our green. Doesn't go through there, doesn't go through there, and we've already got that one covered with our blue one. So let's try our orange one. Yes, it goes through nicely at the back there. And it goes nicely through the gap there. We've got our blue one for here, blue for here, green for here. Doesn't go through there, doesn't go through there, and again we've got our blue for that gap. So I'll move to our pink one. So we've already got one for there, we've got one for there, we've got one there, we've got one there, got one there, so we need here, which it doesn't go through, and here, which it doesn't go through. So we'll go to our last size, which is our white one, to our two gaps that we need. And I probably could put it through there, but it would be forcing it to go through, which would damage the gums, and we do not want that. And same in this gap here, we do not want to damage it. So we would use floss in this gap here and this gap here. So my video tomorrow is going to be on floss, so I will show you how to clean that area then. So for now we've got our 3 coloured brushes that would do all of this section. So you will probably find that if you've never used interdental brushes, or if you've not used them for a long time, when you first use them, your gums will bleed. They may be even a little bit sore. If you've got loads of bleeding or it's really painful, then please get in touch with your dentist and they can help. But a little bit of bleeding is quite normal after using them. You're disturbing all the bacteria that's been sat there for ages, and your body's defence system sends the blood to that area, so they will bleed. After about 2 weeks of doing it every evening, you will hopefully find that there's less blood, meaning that your gums are on the way to getting healthier, therefore stopping the bacteria going around your body. So once you've used your interdental brushes, you just give them a little wash under some running water. Get rid of any of the germs that have been picked up. And then if you just leave them to dry, and then once they're dry, you can just put the caps back on them all and they're ready for the next day. Most interdental brush companies say that the brushes should last about a week. However, I do find that some of the smaller ones maybe bend before the week's out, so you may find that you're using 2 a week, especially when you're first learning how to use them, because it takes a little bit of practice knowing which angle to put it in between each tooth. But as you get better, you probably find that you use less. Larger sizes, they'll probably will last you a week, but the smaller sizes you may just find you using a few more. Thank you so much for watching again. I hope you found this useful. My next video tomorrow is going to be about cleaning between your teeth using floss. If you want to see it, why don't you follow me and then you don't miss it. Take care!